Obviously, Dennis didn't say this directly in front of Hermes, but looks like he's predicting his good old friend Michael Todd to defeat Hermes at East vs West 16. Hello arm wrestling fans, in this video we will be discussing Denis Ciplenkov's prediction of the Hermes vs Michael match and the Vitaly vs Morozov super match, and also we'll be discussing Hermes Gasparini's current shape as explained by himself in the recent Engin Terzi interview. Denis has arm wrestled Michael Todd many times in the past, and he was supposed to arm wrestle Hermes Gasparini last year, so that match must interest him a lot. This is what Denis said about Michael Todd. Michael is doing very good training. He is unpredictable. He can go in different angles. It will be a very difficult match for Hermes. Beating Michael Todd will take everything. Now you would suppose that Hermes has a much different style than Denis Ciplenkov. At that time, Denis was not that much of a top roller. He was still kind of going sideways, and still he most of the times was able to defeat Michael Todd. In fact, he lost to him only once in a tournament, and even then he came back and defeated Michael Todd at Arnold's Classic, I think it was. So technically speaking, Denis does know how to defeat Michael Todd, and that's why his advice to Hermes Gasparini is even more important. It's good that Hermes is training for endurance because he will need a lot of it. Denis himself is an endurance master. You will never see him getting gassed out in any super match. And I'm not talking about the recent Devon Larratt right arm super match, but in any match before that, you can see that Denis never gets tired. In fact, he had won many of his matches because of his insane levels of endurance. And even then, he is telling Hermes that endurance can be an issue in this match. But after saying all of this, Denis still said that it's a 50-50 match. He cannot really predict who is going to win. To me, it looks like when all of us are wondering how can prime Denis Ciplenkov do against today's top arm wrestlers, especially guys like Levan Saginashvili and Devon Larratt, don't you think that Denis may also be wondering the same? And that can make him a little bit biased because he knows that in his prime, he was able to defeat Michael Todd. So now maybe somewhere deep inside his heart, he wants to see Michael Todd winning so that he feels good that his prime shape was really good even in today's world. I know I'm making a lot of assumptions here, but I think these assumptions can be true. I think that's why Denis didn't say directly that he thinks Michael Todd is the favorite to win this super match. And then he also told Hermes that his arm wrestling style is more beautiful and more interesting. He's cheering for Hermes Gasparini, but at some point the match will stop and then he must be ready. So another, we can call it a warning by Denis for Hermes Gasparini that if he's thinking he will go through Michael, it won't happen. There will be a stoppage, and then he'll have to use all of his technique and all of his endurance to battle it out to get a victory. So in the same interview, Hermes told the fans that he's weighing 126 kilos, which is lighter than what he was in the previous Levan Saginashvili super match. But then he said that despite being a little bit lighter and doing a lot more cardio, his weights in the gym are still up. He's the strongest that he has ever been. He's doing a lot of cardio now, and that's why he isn't getting tired in the gym. While previously he can hit a certain weight and get tired after a couple of sets, that isn't happening right now. He can go through all of his workouts without getting slightly tired. And since we are talking about endurance and the importance of that in this super match, another master of endurance, Devon Larratt, also mentioned that both of these guys at this point should only be working on their endurance. Nothing else is going to matter that much in that super match. And I think Devon may be the only person in the world who has defeated both Hermes and Michael Todd, at least in last 6, 7, 8 years, I would say. So that's why his advice also matters a lot in this super match. Denis also predicted the Vitaly vs Artyom Morozov left arm super match. He said that Vitaly is a machine. He has never seen him that big and that strong. Vitaly may win 2 rounds fast and then Artyom can stop and win. But still, Denis thinks that Vitaly has 1% more chance of winning this match than Artyom Morozov. So even in this match, both of these guys are Denis Ciplenkov's friends. But despite that, he did give his clear prediction on this one. And that is, just like everyone, Vitaly Laletin winning the super match. Thanks for watching, like the video, and I'll see you again.